It was a moonlit night in old Mexico. I walked along between some other adobe haciendas. Suddenly, I heard the plaintive cries of this young Mexican guy. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. As you better come with me, Speedy Gonzales, away from Canary. So for the driving again, we're back for Jane and Flo. Come on into your adobe, and set some more on the wall. The road is drinking like now. There's all KB in the heart. Speedy Gonzales, why don't you come home? Speedy Gonzales, how come you left me all alone? Hey, Rosita, I have to do something dong for my mama. She needs some tollalas and chili flavor. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Don't all you wanna have a puppy, and we are running our call. No enchilada in the icebox, and the television smoke. I saw some music and just to chat. I spent some power for me here. What if you're gonna keep on messing? Don't bring your business with you. Speedy Gonzales, why don't you come home? Speedy Gonzales, how come you left me all alone? Hey! Rosita, come quick, don't let the cantina, they give Rick Gills them with the key.